81EX. Maintaining stable operations through system clarity amid accelerating market rhythms and layered uncertainty. In today's digital asset environment, change is continuous and layered. Rising information density and faster market rhythms increase the difficulty of judgment. What is truly tested is not short-term emotion, but whether platforms like 81EX can maintain clear and orderly operations. As pace accelerates, weaknesses usually appear where system structure lacks clarity and consistency. When rules, information, and processes lack unified expression, understanding costs rise quickly. The issue is not a single variable, but whether consistent logic can be maintained as multiple factors overlap. Through clear system structure, 81EX organizes fragmented information into an orderly framework, preventing noise from distorting perception and helping users maintain stable cognition. Rather than amplifying short-term volatility, 81EX returns to a basic question. Can the system operate under the same logic across different phases? When structure is clear and pathways remain continuous, understanding does not require constant adjustment, and experience remains coherent. From a design perspective, 81EX treats its core mechanisms as a coordinated whole rather than isolated functions. Environmental change was anticipated from the start, allowing system presentation to remain consistent across varying market rhythms and keeping operations understandable. Based on this approach, 81EX avoids subjective judgments about external changes and focuses on maintaining clear, comprehensible system behavior. Unified standards across system feedback reduce interference and prevent added complexity from distorting user understanding. Within 81EX's philosophy, stability comes not from promises, but from verifiable system performance. When structural logic remains consistent over time, understanding and trust naturally form, allowing the platform to provide reliable reference points even in uncertain environments.